I find it very important when you're working out to do it knowingly. And by that, I mean you should be asking yourself, why am I moving this body part in this way? What is it working? What is it achieving? For that reason, I'm going to explain to you the structure of our workout videos to give you an idea of what you're working. The structure of our workout program is designed to hit your abs in the way that your abs are built. To explain it simply, you have your upper abs and lower abs. These are your rectus abdominis, which are the block muscles that make up the six-pack. To work these, we are splitting some workout routines into lower and upper because it's hard to hit them all at once. So there are exercises incorporating leg lifts for your lower abs and torso crunches for your upper abs. Next, we have the external and internal oblique, or the sides of your abs. You'll need these to cut out the outline of your six-pack. And to work these, we have workouts that engage them by twisting either our torso or legs, bending from one side to the other. The other two are the linea alba, which is the hollow line flowing through the center of the abs, and the transversus abdominis, which essentially is that V line at the bottom. These both become more prominent with low body fat percentage and good hydration. Now, working all these the right way should give us all the results we need for that perfect set of abs. The variation of the exercises in the workout videos aims to develop and sculpt all these parts of the abdominal area.